Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. JDK and Eclipse are installed, and SQL Server is reachable. Once done, create a new Java project in Eclipse and a simple package. Add the downloaded Microsoft JDBC. Jar to the project's build path. Right-click Project, Properties, Java Build Path, add external JARs. Make sure the SQL Server service is running and TCP/IP is enabled in SQL Server Configuration Manager. Otherwise, the driver cannot reach the database over the network. Now write the Java code that opens a connection. You create a properties or use a URL with user and password, for example JDBC, SQL Server, //localhost 1433, database name equals testdb. Use driver manager. Get connection, URL, user, pass, inside try with resources so resources close automatically. Once connected, prepare a prepared statement for queries to avoid injection. Execute query or execute update as needed, and process result set rows. Make sure to catch SQL exception and log. Finally, run your main class in Eclipse and watch the console output. If the connection fails, verify credentials, instance name, port, and that SQL Server allows TCP/IP. Also check Windows firewall or network rules. Once successful, you can execute real queries and close the app. If packaging, include the JDBC. Jar on the class path or bundle it inside the runnable JAR. A key troubleshooting tip. If you see login or network errors, confirm SQL Server authentication mode and test connectivity with SQL Server Management Studio first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.